History is made! Look at this! Well done, Sydney, for doing this! This is just an amazing part of the Sydney World Pride. We are celebrating Sydney World Pride 2023, and this is the first time in the history that we are crossing the bridge. The bridge, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, the most iconic structure here in Sydney. And we are about to cross the bridge today, and this is the first time in history, and I'm so glad to be part of the history. And we are here to gather and also to dream and also to amplify our voices for those people who doesn't have any voice at all. We are here for you, and you are not alone. But hey, we are celebrating the colors, the beauty of the people, any orientations at all. You're always welcome to stay here and be part of the Sydney World Pride. And now we're crossing the bridge, as you can see. Look at that. As early in the morning, at 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning, we are just bustling with a lot of colors, pride, and love all here in Sydney. And crossing the bridge is just one thing that we've been always thinking of, because it's a history. It's my first time to cross the bridge without any cost at all. Of course, I've been crossing the bridge before, but this one is different. This is a big event that we have to put through so we can be heard and be part of the history. And we are here now again to celebrate. I know this is gonna be big, and this is gonna be iconic. To say we are now crossing the bridge, and we're not even halfway there, but this is the starting point. This is the most iconic part of the city of Sydney, and yeah, we are crossing it, and we are getting ready to be part of the history. And this is just one thing that I want to say. I think we are changing the history again, and be part of this history. We are changing the course of the history for the World Pride. And today, this is just one of the best things that ever happened to me, simply because I'm just so proud looking at all these people around me here. They're just so much fun and lively. The vibrancy of this people and the vibrancy of this march is just nothing compared to anything else. History is made! Look at this! Well done, Sydney, for doing this! History is now made here in the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and I am so happy to be part of this event. I know I woke up really early in the morning, around 5 a.m. in the morning, just to actually walk and celebrate this World Pride Day here in Sydney, Australia. And I am so glad I did it. It doesn't matter, you know, if you're tired, you don't have enough sleep, but at least we are here celebrating proud and loud, and celebrating and being here to amplify our voices for what are the things needs to be changed. And I think history is now made. Now we've just crossed the bridge there, the Sydney Harbour Bridge, and we are still crossing all the way to the city of Sydney. And I am so excited to be part of this, and look at these, the people around me, the colors, the beauty, you know, different orientations, and also this is just like, it feels like normal. And being here is one of the best things I've ever did today. I'm here to give out and shout out, to have a voice for those people who still doesn't have the voice to speak out. So we are here gathering around and being part of the history.
My heart's like an ocean, it's deep and it's open. But one thing I promise, I'll always be honest. Eternal devotion, if we keep things open. If you love all on me, yeah, then you let me be free, yeah. If you love me, then you let me be free. If you love me, yeah. I noticed it different.
You are not alone. We are here marching for you wherever you are in the world or wherever you are in the universe. Look at these people around you celebrating and also giving you voice to amplify it so we can have political, social change in the future. Look at this. These people here in Sydney from all around the world are here for this. It's a movement that will change the course of the history, and I am so proud to be part of it. Look at the beauty of these ones. Look at that. The beauty of the Sydney World Pride. It brings a lot of change, and it brings a lot of people from a different background, different orientations, and just really, you are all welcome here, and I am so proud of it. And look at this. You can be who you are. You can be who you are, and you can be whatever you want, because this is supposed to be like that. And we are here to gather, dream, and amplify for it. Sydney World Pride 2023, you guys just made history. We have just finished crossing the bridge, and we have now crossed as well from the Sydney Opera House here behind me, and we are going straight to the city, and that's where we are heading today, because the purpose of this parade is to walk, march, be proud and loud, and also, showing the people of Sydney, that we are all accepted in this country, and also wherever you are in the world, you are not alone. We are here for you.
Architecture as much as the next guy.
Whoa, I think this is the end of the parade. Oh, it's not even a parade. This is the end of the march. We are off to actually find a nice toilet which is not so crowded, so we can do our own business and then go straight to the main and enjoy what's in there.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers.
We made it, guys, and we are now here at Hyde Park, and this is the last stop point of the walk for the Sydney Pride 2023. And look at this. This is the center where we have to stop, and of course there are so many places here where you can also gather and continue to explore the Pride Village here at the Oxford Street, and we've also have a lot of things here going on. We have an MC here. It's just so much fun here, and the vibes, and just a lot of people are still here and gathering around and just enjoying the best we can. Of course, I've enjoyed it when I am here, and I'm so excited, really, and it's just so good to be able to be part of the history. And this is exactly what I'm telling everyone, that whatever you are in the world or in the universe, if you haven't done this, we're here for you, and you're not alone. And being here is just the best feeling I've ever had, walking proudly and being loud to celebrate the Sydney World Pride 2023. Look at this, the vibrancy of this, the color, and the people. There you go. I hope you can hear me, because there's another person talking in the background, but there you go.
Happy Pride, everybody!
There you go, happy Pride! We are on our way to the Pride Village here in Oxford Street where the action happens. After a long 4 kilometers walk from North Sydney Harbour Bridge, then we're back here now again to the city, and this is exactly one of the stop points. And if you are traveling from here, then you get the street food party here. And this is exactly what's good about the Sydney World Pride, simply because you are welcome to stay here, whatever you are, whoever you are. It's just very welcoming. We're getting inside now. We are enjoying the party for the day. Hello. Sure.
Enjoying it?
We did. We made it to the village. We made it here to the Pride Village, and look at this. They've closed the road just for this party, and how cool is that? Look at this. All the way from up here, all the way to the other side of the street. You find it more very vibrant and very fun. Simply because you see a lot of places here where they sell food, drinks, and just have a good time here and have fun. It's just very welcoming, and I'm so happy, and I feel included here.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want
This is it, guys. The street is still filled with a lot of people enjoying and having a great time here at the Oxford Street in Sydney to celebrate the Sydney World Pride 2023. I'm gonna end my vlog here today because I am going to party and enjoy most of my time here, and I'm just so happy to be here, and I'm so glad for you guys for tuning in. And yeah, happy Sydney Mardi Gras, and I do hope that things will be all right in the future. And there we go. Look at that. The beauty is this place is just beyond, and I'm so thankful to be able to stand here in front of you and witness the history, the one-of-a-kind experience and event of the Sydney World Pride 2023. Thank you. Bye for now.
What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living.